What is the safety and efficacy data for continuous long-term use of Dupilumab in children with severe atopic dermatitis? I'm Mike Cork from Sheffield Dermatology Research in the University of Sheffield Medical School. On behalf of my co-authors, I would like to share the findings of two global, multi-centre studies that report the long-term safety and efficacy, as well as the pharmacokinetic profile of Dupilumab in children ages 6 to 11 years with severe atopic dermatitis. For this patient population, atopic dermatitis has a substantial impact on their quality of life. And therapies with a favourable benefit-risk profile are limited. Systemic corticosteroids are strongly discouraged in children. Other systemic agents are used off-label, despite limited data from controlled studies. Dupilumab is effective with acceptable safety in children with severe AD, treated up to 16 weeks. And here we present the safety profile of Dupilumab up to 52 weeks. We analysed pharmacokinetic data, safety and efficacy of Dupilumab in 6 to 11-year-old children with severe atopic dermatitis enrolled in a phase 2A study of 20 weeks and a phase 3 open-label extension of 52 weeks. 38 children enrolled in the phase 2A study and 33 continued to the open-label extension. In the phase 2A study, children received single-dose Dupilumab of 2 or 4 milligrams per kilogram, followed by 8-week pharmacokinetic sampling, then 2 or 4 milligrams per kilogram weekly for 4 weeks. In subsequent open-label extension, they received the same weekly regime for up to 52 weeks. The pharmacokinetic profile of Dupilumab in these children was similar to that in adults and adolescents and showed non-linear pharmacokinetics. Dupilumab was well tolerated. Treatment-emergent adverse events were mostly mild to moderate and transient. Most commonly reported treatment-emergent adverse events were nasopharyngitis, exacerbations of AD, cough, dermatitis that was infected, headache, upper respiratory tract infection, and herpes simplex. No adverse events led to permanent treatment discontinuation. Single-dose Dupilumab rapidly improved the signs of AD and symptoms. Further improvements in all these parameters were seen throughout the continued treatment up to 52 weeks in the open-label extension. For AD signs, 17% of children receiving the 2 milligram per kilogram dose achieved an IGA of 0.1 at week 12 of phase 2A and 76% at week 52 of the open-label extension. For the 4 milligrams per kilogram dose, 21% and 25% achieved IGA 0.1. Mean EASI improved by 37% at week 2 of the phase 2A, reaching 92% at week 52 of the open label extension in children receiving the 2 milligrams per kilogram dose. For the 4 milligrams per kilogram dose, mean EASI improved by 33% at week 2, reaching 84% at week 52. For symptoms, mean peak pruritus, NRS, improved by 17% at week 2, reaching 70% at week 52, and 20% at week 2, reaching 58% at week 52, with a 2 milligram and 4 milligram dose of Dupilumab, respectively. Dupilumab also improved quality of life, assessed by the Patient-Orientated Eczema Measure, the POEM, and the Children's Dermatology Life Quality Index, the CDLQI. In conclusion, our results support the use of Dupilumab as a continuous and long-term treatment for severe AD in children aged 6 to 11 years.